Okay, reverse bay park to the left. So start by finding a bay, line up the white line to about the center of your door. It works on most cars. Bay 3 will be your target. Look around before you move and steer the full lock to the left and make sure it's safe before you move. If anybody passing, give them opportunity, or if any car passing, go as slow as you can and make sure you continue to observe. The slower the better. You will have enough time to correct it if it's going wrong. And if you hit anyone or anything at that speed, nothing's gonna happen. So that's a safe speed. The examiner won't mind how slow you go. And in real life, it doesn't matter how slow you go. You just want to make sure that it's safe. Now that the car is in bay 3, nice and straight. You can tell if it's straight by looking down to your two mirrors, the left and the right mirror. Straighten the wheel, which is normally 2 steering to the right. And take your time, roll nice and slow. Make sure not to overrun your bay. And yeah, that's it done. Don't forget to follow your boy Locksmith the All-Rounder for more driving tips and daily funny videos. I'm out.